Hey everyone! Do you dream of writing a book or an ebook but don't know where to start? Whether it's fiction, non-fiction, or even a guide, I'm going to break it down step by step so you can bring your ideas to life. Writing a book may seem overwhelming, but with the right approach, you can make it happen. So grab a notebook or open your favorite writing app and let's dive in. First things first, what do you want to write about? Pick a topic you're passionate about and knowledgeable in. If it's fiction, think about the genre and story ideas. Do you want to write a thriller, romance, sci-fi, or fantasy? If it's non-fiction, consider what expertise or experience you can share. Maybe you have personal experiences that can help others, or you have industry knowledge that can provide value. Ask yourself, who is my target audience? What problem does my book solve? What message do I want to convey? Take time to research similar books to see what's already out there and how you can make yours unique. Next, create a solid outline. Think of it as your roadmap. List your chapters, key points, and the flow of information or story. A clear structure will keep you organized and make writing easier. For fiction, this means creating character arcs, world building, and plot points. For non-fiction, structure your chapters logically to guide the reader smoothly through your insights. A great tip is to use the 3-act structure for fiction: beginning, introduce characters, setting, and the main conflict. Middle, build tension, develop subplots, and create obstacles. End, resolve the conflict, provide closure, and leave an impact. For non-fiction, start with an engaging introduction. Break down your content into digestible sections. End with a strong conclusion and actionable takeaways. Now comes the fun part, writing. Set a daily or weekly goal to stay on track. Don't aim for perfection, just get your ideas down. You can always edit later. Some great ways to stay disciplined include setting a word count goal, like 500 to 1,000 words a day. Writing at the same time every day to create a habit. Using writing apps like Scrivener or Google Docs to stay organized. If you hit writer's block, try free writing for 10 minutes or change your environment to spark creativity. Remember, consistency is key. For fiction writers, your characters and world building are everything. Flesh out your characters by giving them goals, flaws, and motivations. Ask yourself, what are their backstories? What challenges do they face? How will they grow throughout the story? For world building, create immersive settings by describing sights, sounds, and cultures. The richer the world, the more engaging your story will be. Once you have a draft, it's time to edit. Read through it, fix errors, and refine your ideas. Consider hiring a professional editor or using tools like Grammarly to polish your work. Different types of editing include developmental editing, fixing story structure, character development, and pacing. Copy editing, improving grammar, style, and clarity. Proofreading, catching typos and formatting errors. It's helpful to step away for a few days before editing to see your work with fresh eyes. Your book needs a professional look. Format it correctly, whether it's for print or digital. For print, ensure correct margins, font size, and spacing for readability. For eBooks, use formatting tools like Kindle Create or Vellum to optimize for Kindle, Apple Books, and more. If you're unsure, hiring a professional formatter can be a great investment. People do judge a book by its cover, so make it eye-catching. A professional design should include a clear title and author name, visually appealing fonts and imagery, and a design that matches the genre. For example, dark tones for thrillers and bright colors for self-help books. You can design it yourself or hire a professional on Fiverr or 99 Designs. Now it's time to publish. You can self-publish through platforms like Amazon, Kindle Direct Publishing, or KDP, or go the traditional route by submitting to publishers. Each has its pros and cons. Self-publishing offers full creative control and higher royalties, but it requires more marketing effort. Traditional publishing means less control and lower royalties, but you gain access to an established audience. Whichever path you choose, Ensure your book is professionally edited and formatted for success. Finally, marketing is key. Share your book on social media, build an email list and run promotions. Create a website or blog about your book. Run Amazon ads or Facebook ads. Do podcast interviews or collaborate with influencers in your niche. The more people see it, the more readers you'll get. And there you have it, everything you need to write and publish your own book or ebook. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more content. Also, please use the affiliate links below to support the channel. And let me know in the comments what book idea you're working on. Remember, writing a book is a journey, but with dedication and a plan, you can do it. Thanks for watching and happy writing.